Sense? You see it, look.
Okay, so we start.
You see
Start here.
Right, you see how the
Yeah.
is built over here.
Yeah.
Okay,
See
now.
that? So that all has wax in it.
Wax on it.
So you start from the point that the thread first go in, and you make sure that everything the thread is touching and going through, that all that is clean. And this right here, this is metal.
See.
So you have to be careful how you clean this.
Right. So
You take a soft cloth with this micro cloth.
some cloth. You know,
And
and right. See a spray.
Spray Windex.
Windex on the cloth.
You don't want it too wet.
No. No, you don't want it too wet. Because they are easy to rust, those things. Clean it, you see.
So we need to make sure that once we clean it, that we see that all the wax buildup is
And
gone.
leave it dry.
Yeah.
See, you see how the one that wax back there.
So get all of that.
You see.
Okay.
Okay, then of course you clean. Everything is possible right here, right? Right. The tube came off right here.
Right.
The tube came off right here, of course, you know.
And you take that tube
You take
and you
that
put
tube.
it in a mixture of, I'm going to say Dawn and bleach.
Right, because see how that one look. See?
Yeah.
See how that one look, let's see.
Yeah.
So you want to get
Get all that off. So
all it off.
and we let it sit for at least 2 hours.
You see?
Right.
See how that one is building?
So let it sit for at least 2 hours and check it and see that the wax is gone.
Right. If for some reason you know that one came off, you can clean it up and leave it dry, But you see how that one look over here. You see?
Yeah, I see it.
See,
Okay.
everything is inside.
So
the thread is going back there, and that one is making a lot of dragging.
that impacts the tension that we think we're trying to fix. So we have to get that clean in order to.
Then this one the same.
Yeah. Go through each and every one of them. Now the spring, do we need to do anything with the spring you just took off in your hand?
Well, you make sure that the spring don't have any dust, nothing like that. You make clean it up.
Okay.
Maybe they have a little bit lean or whatever. Yeah, but
Okay. What about the topper here?
Right here, yeah, right here. You see, make sure that you don't have nothing that there because this tiny black piece, when you tighten it, you're gonna make a ratchet.
Okay.
But and you can soap this one on a soapy wire as well with the tubes.
Okay.
Okay. Right, because there are plastic. The plastic you can.
So we just don't want to put the metal.
The metal, no, because the metal rust.
And then we clean everything associated with that.
Right. So this piece right here, you see. And probably down here on the back. I don't see it, but with a Q-tip or something, you maybe clean the back.
Okay.
As well, because the same thing that you have right here probably is behind the whole thing. See right here.
Yeah, I see it on it.
The easy way to take that one off is with a piece of magnet. With a piece of magnet.
Take it off with a magnet.
Yeah, it's easier. Or you have a big nails, So, to clean it up.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. So take that off and then we just have to clean it. So we have to clean each and every.
See how that one is built right there.
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay.
So that one with the time change of tension and the stuff like that.
Yeah, because the thread gets in that wax and you can't pull it the way it needs to be pulled.
You loosen or you're tighten or you loosen and it's gonna be. And some color has more wax than another colors.
There's your teacher. Okay.
So
we have to go all the way through all of this process.
Right.
Okay, so we come down and do the same.
Right there. Of course, you cannot take that one off, but what you can do is, just clean it like that.
Okay.
And you go do the same thing right here to see how that one look like. you know.
Okay.
And right here is kind of a funny. There are rollers. There are not going to be too much, but you know, you try to clean it as well, you know.
Okay.
Now, when you get to here, some of them also has wax on the tube, so
right.
with a Q-tip or something, you
stick through there.
tip it in and clean it. The same over here. And
Okay.
you have it, you know, all the parts. They are fine.
Okay. And then let me step over here real quick and go back here. Is this the one number 6?
Yeah.
That we need to.
The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, which one was it? Which one was it?
It was number. Oops. Sorry about that.
6.
It was number 6.
Oh yeah, look.
So it's
again.
It's fixed itself. Okay. Because number 6 was
No,
getting.
yeah, number 6 was given an issue, right? Well, I guess they fix by themselves, or they get back in position because. Okay,
No,
fine.
I saw it. I touched it. I know that what you're saying was factual.
Yeah, no, because you know it was sticking.
It was staying up. Okay.
Yeah. Probably you jump and get back in position, but you probably have to check, you know.
Okay, we'll check.
That if that one working fine, if that one doesn't work, you know, but
Yeah. Okay.
we will fine. Okay.
Okay. So we just need to clean all the way through the whole process for every machine.
Every machine.
And then we go from there if we have any problems. But
because you're gonna find out like to see how that one is going.
yeah. See how that's doing
See?
that? And that's
Right.
probably why when we were changing the knobs for the tension,
exactly.
we were thinking, you know, it's not making any
you
difference.
See, if I'm losing all the tension,
Yeah.
nothing happens. You see?
Yeah, it's not making a difference, but that's the reason why it wasn't making
Because
a difference.
probably it's rubbing right here into the tube that is full of wax. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we need to do.
Because the thread is going to the tube, and if the tube is dirty, the tube has wax, or the tube has
It gets caught on
that
that.
is sticky.
Yeah.
Because you don't know, sometimes they're using a sprays and the spray
Yeah.
it over there, you know.
And so that's what we need to be very careful of as well, is that when we come over to machines and spray something, that spray
get into,
yeah.
and then make it sticky.
Okay.
So everything over here to get sticky.
Right.
So
Okay.
I know that you are not doing, and you know that you're doing it. And sometimes when they do an applique, they put it over here. Oh.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's what we need.
And when you take the disc, you know, the disc that has the nuts right here are from the bottom parts. See, because they go in one position.
Okay.
Okay. And the disc don't have nothing right here to go on top. And they are smaller.
Okay. So we should make sure we put them back in the right places.
And the spring doesn't matter. The spring can go either direction.
Okay.
Right here or right here. You know,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay. Well, good thing if we get lost, we can look at one of the other machines.
Yeah. No, but the springs are no problem.
Yeah.
So don't worry about the springs are the same.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, they are actually full of junk.
Yeah.
This thing.
You don't have to put that on. We're gonna have to clean it, so we know.
Snap it.
Okay.
Because some colors run beautiful, some colors they're rough.
Yeah.
So.
But I know we speak a lot of time about the tension, and
you, a lot of complaining, a lot of tension constantly. Tension. So, but it's not actually. Everything look fine, but it's rough.
yeah, we just need to do that deep
And
cleaning.
probably, I don't worry about it.
Okay.
And probably you put a different color, number 7, maybe change.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? If we
So-
put, for instance,
So the
it's just to give you an idea. It's because from color to color they have different wax or they're different, putting the stuff right there. But
okay. So right now we have a designated color for 1 through 15.
it's fine.
Okay.
but definitely you have to clean it.
Okay.
No doubt about it.
Okay, we'll do that.
Let's see. I did it wrong. I dyed it a wrong color. Okay, hold on. Something over this. I dyed the wrong color. I'm gonna check color just to see what's going on. Still look much better, but it's still pull it.
Yeah.
It's not so tight like the white,
Oh yeah, but
it's still
got that hesitation in it as well.
right.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
we'll finish running that
And we do this annually. I mean, you can really
Yeah.
do it once a year.
once a year.
Okay.
I mean, it's gonna be enough. Or when you think that feeling that you start getting those problems, you know.
Right.
You don't have
They
to
won't
do,
re-
you don't have to do it annually, but probably when you start feeling those problems.
Okay.
again,
Especially when we start moving these and
yeah,
this
start
in here
getting
and-
that one and pulling
and-
in and out and in and out,
and
too
it's-
much, and you're feeling that this kind of
Yeah.
jerking.
that it's not making any difference.
Right, then it's a sign that probably has to be cleaned the whole thing.
Okay. All right.
What I'm doing is put a silicone spray on the cones, but that one in a long period is gonna get worse.
So you say put a silicone spray on the cones. What does that mean?
I mean, you spray silicone right here.
Oh, spray it actually on the
on
thread.
the thread.
Okay.
And that will lubricate your part.
Oh, okay.
You know? But in a long run, you're gonna get the same situation. It's gonna get, a lot of stuff, wax accumulating, on the thread part.
Mm-hmm.
But if you put it right there, it's gonna lubricate and make it easy, and you can run it.
Okay.
But because all the thread get that silicone when they winding,
Mhm.
So through the years or through the use, that
Mhm.
wax stay there.
Right.
And and maybe sometimes they carry the dust inside of the tube, inside of the whole system.
Okay. All
And
right.
when you want to change your tension.
Anything else before I stop the video?
No.
Okay.
Hello.